Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display add to cart button above product description in single product page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our add to cart button and this is our product description. So we are going to display add to cart button above product description. So this is a simple product page. Now go to variable product. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. So this is a simple product. Now refresh the page, go to variable product, refresh the page. Now back to simple product and then you see add to cart button above product description. Go to variable product. Also you see variation selector and add to cart button above product description. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.